Alright guys, so the 77 Regal got the factory moonroof in it, so I gotta come in and take out this seal. It's cracking everything. I'm gonna just repair it because I don't think you can buy them, so I'm gonna just come in and repair this one. Alright, so to get this out, I got to take all of these screws out all the way around, and it's one right in the back corner, so don't miss that one. These don't unscrew right away. I got an old trick that my neighbor Jim taught me back when I was young. Put it in that put the screwdriver inside the screw there, tap it a couple of times, and it'll break the rust loose. Maybe I was in the camera, you didn't see that, but you tap that a couple of times and that screw will come right out of there, guys. A lot of times they'll come right out. So these come out both sides, the last screw before you get to the curve. We got these with the clips here. The rest of the screws have no clips on them at all. Alright, seeing that I'm gonna have to redo this headliner, probably dye this one up or either put new material up here. But I want to take both these out, both sides, and then these clips here, I got to get these clips out of here, and got a plug here, got the switch there, and the seat belts in the back. It look like it's cut around there, so I might not have to worry about that, but I got to get all of this stuff out of here to get this headliner out of here. Alright, so got the screws out of the sun visors. I just want to take this plug out, and then this should just pry down too. Try not to break it. Let me see. Just take your time. Pry down. I don't think alright, so we're pulling this headliner. I gotta get this rubber piece out of here, so I just want to pry on this, get it started, then it should come out. And I'll be dyeing this piece too, guys. I gotta dye all of this stuff. I don't want to rip it. Look like it's almost ripped there. Alright, so I am gonna put a piece of tape on here and write down front on here, either back, one of the two. Alright, so all of this vinyl or this top material, this headliner material, I'm not going to be reusing this. I mean, it's got too much black, I don't know, over time, probably smoker or something, I'm not sure. But I'll be putting new material on here, so, but right now as much of this as I can get out, and I'm wondering, you really, you know, this will be my first time. I took one of these apart years ago and saved the sunroof out of it, and I wanted to have it put in another Regal if I ever got one. And the guy that did the local interior stuff around town said, you can't use the factory, can't use a factory sunroof. I don't know if that was true, cutting it in, or what. I really don't know. So I actually hoarded that all these years, guys, and kept it, you know. So yeah, so I still got that other whole sunroof off of 77 that I had that ended up getting totaled, and I just kept the sunroof out of it. So I don't really know, but I do know if I ever needed a motor or anything like that, cables, that I got extra stuff there. All right, but I gotta pull this off. I'm trying not to rip it. I'm trying not to rip it, guys, but yeah, let me just take my time and pull this loose. It's coming loose with my hand here. So let me get this out of here. All right, so now after I got that all started, I just want to come around and I want to pull this glue all the way from around here. So after I get this done, then I want to come in. I'll take these clips out later. I'm gonna just rip around these, I think, but these clips just push and pull out. All right, so with these, you just want to pry these back. You want to pry this back and try not to break that clip. These are already broke. So, all right. So after breaking one, I try to figure out a better way to do things. So still don't want to pull out of there. All right, so I'm gonna do it like I did the other side, and that's actually take all the vinyl from around that clip. I still can't get it to pop here. These things are actually a bear to get out of there, guys. But one thing I can say is take the vinyl top, the headliner, out from around there. So I'm not saving this, so I'm just gonna rip it, and then I'm gonna get all of the headliner stuff out of here. So after getting those clips out and everything, got this headliner almost down. I want to get these out of here for hanging your clothes up. That's what they was used for back in the days. And I want to pull the rest of this headliner down. All right, so that headliner is out of there. Then I got 3 screws that I got 3 screws that this tray, it comes around and I guess helps support the sunroof there. So I'm gonna get these sandblasted up, get them painted black. Arizona car, so it's pretty solid. But I'm gonna come in and sandblast these up, guys. So I got to get both these plates off of here. All right, and then this piece just comes right out of there. Now next, I have these clips that I got to get out for the drainage, for the sunroof. Water get in there, it drains out of there. So I want to save these hoses. I might put new hoses on there, but I got to get these clips off. It's 2 on each side, guys. So get those clips out of there. Then I'll be ready to drop this sunroof down. All right, so I got the little Harbor Freight tool here that I brought. Clip it open, bring it down, lock it in place. Let's see which way. Okay, I can bring that to the end of there. So I already did this front one. I bring this front one back this way. Get the other 2 off, then I'm gonna pop these hoses off with a screwdriver, just pry them out. So I'm gonna just take a vice grip, twist this, and get this off of here. All right, it should come off now. The front one's off, that'll come off. Let me just get closer and get this off. All right, so this here, I'm just gonna pull this foam molding off of here. I'll re-glue that. I'll clean that glue up and I'll re-glue that. All right, so I'm thinking there's 1 screw up under here, so I'm gonna have to I hate to do it. I'm wondering if I should close this. Oh boy, I could mess up here, guys. I wonder if I should close this before I take yeah, I think I'm gonna close this before I take this motor off of here, guys, because I don't know if it's spring loaded or what, but I'm gonna close this top up. Now I could do it manually, but I got power in the car still, so I think I'm gonna just plug this back in and get enough power to it, and I'm gonna close this sunroof up before I before I take that motor off of there, because I truly believe it's still a bolt right up under here. All right, guys, so after taking the last screw off here in the front, there's no nut up under the motor there for the sunroof, so it's no bolt up under there. So once you get that off, you're good to go. All right, so I just got it strapped here, holding here and holding there, and then I'm gonna have somebody help me drop this down. All right, so I got all the screws out of here now. Like I said, I don't think they sell this. I don't think they sell this anymore. So I don't want this to fall and rip. But it just pushes down, guys. And I think I'm gonna just, you see how I'm gonna end up doing this though. But I'm gonna put a, I'm gonna put red vinyl over this, and I'll repair this the best I can. But I think I'm gonna just go over this with vinyl. All right. All right. So that seal is out of there now. Now I can come in and I'm gonna jam all of this up. Paint all of this, get it all scuffed up, paint it black, and kind of go from there, guys.